Alright, this is Dad Random, and what I want to do is show you really quick something that a lot of people have been asking me to do. A little bit windy, but we should be okay. It's still a breeze as the evening is approaching. I bought some of these extended sticks. And of course what I want to do is put those on and then do a test flight and then give you a quick reaction. So I have never even opened these up, so I'm going to open them up right now and put them on my my controller, and we're just going to do a live. I have never flown with these sticks before. So here are the current sticks, and here are the extensions. So they're much longer. So we're going to go ahead and take these off, and we're going to go ahead and put the other ones on. So we are stickless. Now we are going to be. Now, as far as the make is concerned, I don't have a make for these. Look at that! Wow, look at how tall those are. So these are definitely going to be for a pincher. So I'm gonna fight a little bit with these because of their height, but maybe not. So here is what this is basically what I'm working with right now. So even if I stay with my thumbs, my movements are going to be less apparent because the sticks aren't going to be able to move as quick. I'm going to have to really feather these sticks out. So here we go. All right. So look at how tall these are. You think there's actually a size that's in between these, but if I go ahead and put on the controller, and I'm flying as a pincher, they're going to be really long. You're going to really have to. Now, if I'm working my thumbs, they're very, very different. So my thumb movements are going to definitely be challenged here. So all right, here we go. And I'm giving something new a try today. So here we go. So these new sticks, are these too long? Okay. We'll find out. We'll find out if these sticks are going to do the trick or not going to do the trick. So all right. So here we go. All right, Dad Random. All right. This is Dad Random. I think I'm ready to go. Go ahead and get my glasses off. Get the goggles ready to go. Now I didn't bring my cover. That was the nice thing about the Tupperware. It's I could launch with that. So I'm gonna have to let me go ahead and get her loaded up. I guess I could take off from the dirt. Why not? It just rained, so it's probably fine. It's like hard pan, so I think I'm just gonna take off from the ground. Now I put if you can see, I've got an ND filter on there today, so it's really bright. So I got that new set of ND filters. These are I don't know, there's no name on them. It's okay. I paid for them, so why should I give give those guys any credit? All right, take off with caution, GPS. All right, so go ahead and set this down in the hard pan. Yeah, it should be fine. The wind's coming from this way though, so I'm going to turn it into the wind a little bit. So I've learned my lesson with this, so we're going to go that way right there. So we're going to take off that way. Wind's coming this way. It's not a really super hard wind, but it's enough. So all right, so there we go. Looks like everything good. We got a little red dot there in the picture, I noticed. All right, so there's our sticks, and I think I'm going to stay thumbing. All right, I'm going to bring this down there. There we go. It's just me. It's not the quad. All right, so here we go. Now we've got the red dot And I don't know, but remember, we got fighting a little bit of wind, so we're not going to mess around too much. But oh, look at the, should be pretty though, flying. I'm guessing that we're going to smooth out by quite a bit with the sticks this way. And I probably should add some more tilt to my, so it's going to try a little bit. Now I'm going to try to not do not a pinch, but ooh man, maybe not. I'm just a thumber, man. I'm just a thumber. I've got no, I can't do it all. I can't do it the other way. I'm just a dang thumber. Now, do I like the tall sticks or not? I think they might be a little too tall. Guys, these are like $3. It's not like I can't go. They make a set that's an in-between set. I like the fact that with these sticks, I hope you're noticing that the quad is kind of, it's hard to make real big movements with the sticks like this. So, and like I said, I've got to go this way upwind because that's the way the wind's blowing. Of course, that's, so she doesn't have any problem with the winds. I remember when I first flew, I was getting all these wind issues. What do you think of the ND filter on this though? You know, do you think the ND filter is, well, one of the things I noticed right away, oh, I like that. I like those dots. I do like when you get those little reflections. But you notice that I'm not getting a red dot right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and we can turn it around. Do that nice smooth turn. And of course, you know I'm going with the wind right now. I don't know. I guess if I'm going to move, if I'm going to come up here. Oh yeah. Well, I've got the rates up high enough that I think these longer sticks just actually make it a little bit nicer. I think. I don't know. Okay, so that remote control stick error was just me. I haven't flown in a while and I'm pushing the wrong button to get it started. That's just, guys, that's just like when you start looking for the gas pedal or the brakes when you're driving a boat. So you guys that know when you're driving a boat, if anybody here has driven a boat a long time, wow, this is a really fun flight. Tight throttle stick F2 screw. I think I would like to get those errors off, but those errors have nothing to do with my flying. So, but it's interesting. It's just different, and I think like everything you do to change your quad, I think it requires some flying. I think I need to get another set. I really do. I don't think they suck. They definitely are not in the hey these suck category. They're definitely not like that. So, all right. Oh, it's so beautiful out here when you're flying at this time of night. This guys, you gotta fall in love with this quad. You really do. It's so cool. It just is so cool. I am, definitely a FPV fan and a DJI FPV fan. I am a digital fan. It's really difficult to not have enjoyment when you're flying with this thing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. And I'm going to do one more turn and come upwind. You gotta watch out, man. Otherwise, you can get a little bit too crazy. All right, so I gotta get her back up here. Oh man, get back up the hill. Come on, let's get up here. Bring her in. Bring her in here. Now take the goggles off here in a second. You see the yaw is much slower when now that I have the, and I need my sunglasses on here, so I don't want to crash in the dirt here, so I'm going to bring her in as close as I can, and then get underneath. There we go. All right, there we go. What do you think? Long sticks, okay? Long sticks. I don't know. Like I said, it's new, it's different. So, what'd you think of the ND filter? Most of the camera aficionados are gonna go, well, duh, it doesn't do anything. But I don't know. I didn't see the red dot of absolute death. So, all right, what do you think of that? All right, check it out. Tell me what you think. I'm not telling you I don't like these, but I am not going to. I don't know if I gain much, except for if I was going to do a flight which is going to require a lot of real intricate, by having a longer fulcrum, you are going to slow down your movement because I'm on the outside edge of it. And if I'm down here, you're going to see my thumb movements much better. So this is definitely for a slow flying, for cinematic, these are the way to go. All right, I'm going to switch it off and I'm going to fly one more time, and I'll put the short sticks on, and I'm going to see if I can feel a difference later. Bye.